Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm unboxing my latest order from LEANNA Organics. But first, I'm going to share a couple of good gift ideas from LEANNA. These are the lip glosses I'll open in a second. These are soaps and they come in a bunch of different scents, and they also have little baggies to put them in, which is nice. This is a whipped sea salt scrub that comes in 3 different scents. Bath bombs come in a ton of different scents and strengths of CBD. And then lastly, here are a few bath salts that would make a great gift for so many people. This is one of my favorite CBD companies that I've used for a really long time. They have a really big variety of things like skincare, different CBD products, even just hemp products. Their bar soaps are CBD free, but they are hemp, I believe. And they also have CBD for dogs, which is something that we appreciate. Frankie has used CBD since she was a puppy, various different things. She gets anxious whenever we leave her, and so it kind of just helps to calm her while we're gone, but it also helps with muscle recovery, like if she has a really active day. So lots of different things. Older dogs really benefit from CBD as well. But this is their new face serum with vitamin C. So it's a CBD face serum, 500 milligrams CBD. It has shea butter and everything's organic. So shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E, vitamin C, organic rosehip, apricot oil, squalene, SEABUCKTHORN oil, which we love for internal use and skincare, wheat germ oil, flaxseed, coconut, and then the CBD. So it's good, clean ingredients. I do want to see the consistency of this because it seems so thin. So it is a pretty thin, like an oil, obviously, because that's a lot of what's in it, but it doesn't really have, it smells just like oils, like natural, no scent or anything. What I think I'm going to do is add my own essential oils to this since it doesn't have any. So maybe like some frankincense or blue tansy. But I'm really excited. I like to layer more skincare. I'm really minimalistic when it comes to skincare in like the summer months, so I like to use or layer my skincare to get like extra boost. Okay, next this is another new product. These are so fun. I should have got 2 of them to put in the girls' stockings, but this is strawberry lip gloss. So it's 100 milligram CBD and it's in a little roller tube, and then they have, I think they have 3 different flavors or scents, but this is castor oil, shea butter, coconut butter, almond oil, hemp seed oil, avocado oil, MCT, tamanu, jojoba, and vitamin E, and then organic strawberry flavor, mica, and hemp CBD. Let's see. Oh, it smells really good. I feel so weird putting this on my lips because I have so many rollers that are like rollers for essential oils. Ooh. It feels nice. It smells really good too. I like this. The girls are gonna steal these. I need to get some more of these. And then lastly, let's see. Yeah, lastly, we restocked. I get these regularly. These are our dog biscuits. So this one is actually 5 milligrams per treat. I think they have some that go up to 10. We just give her a very low dose. And these are little biscuits, peanut butter and honey, eggs, corn syrup, wheat flour, vegetable shortening. And then, yeah, per treat is 5 milligrams of CBD, and she really loves them, and she's very picky about treats. She will not take a milk bone to save my life. Every time I feel like we go out in public, people are like, oh, can I give her a treat? And it's always a milk bone, and she's like, I don't mess with milk bones. So I will put the link. It's just a small shop out of Colorado. You can order online. They have like a storefront there in Colorado too, but I just wanted to share because these are products that we've used. Well, these are new, but LEANNA Organics is a brand that we used for a long time, and I feel like I haven't done a CBD video in a long time. So let me know if you use CBD and what your favorite brand is and what your favorite benefits are, or like why you use it down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.